today at Hinewai Nature Reserve and Wildlife Sanctuary. Track over there, so we'll head on over that way and see where it takes us. Here we go. It's going to be a bit of a journey, but we'll make it. Right, we're heading into a bit of a forest now. Not too sure where this goes, but we're just going to keep following the track and see where it takes us. Just a reminder, we are heading down, so when you head down, to get back, you've got to come up. We're out into another clearing here, so we've just come through that native bush, which is absolutely stunning. So we'll just keep carrying on. It looks like it meanders around all the way over through there. We seem to have come back into a bit of native bush here, which is absolutely lovely. The birds singing. How's it going? Okay, just here at the signpost. Jules Knob is 5 minutes that way. Car park is the way we came, 30 minutes, and to go to the woodcutters clearing it's 60 minutes that way. So we're going to head on out this way and then we're going to head that way down to the woodcutters clearing. And here we are at Jules Knob, heading down to Woodcutters Clearing. Okay, here's a bit of a steps. Do you go down front ways or do you go down back ways? I actually prefer to go back ways when it's as steep as that. So I'll just get my bearings. grab onto these and head on down. And if I want, I can come back up, but I'm going down or up, down or up. Oh, there you go, as easy as that. One of the many waterfalls here at Hinewai. They're dotted all over the place. What a find! Wow! Look at that. We're at Woodcutter's Clearing. Now this is a bit of a crossroads of a few tracks. Akaroa is that way, Valley Track is that way, and back to Jules Knob is that way. Well, I'm going to have a bite to eat, a bit of a drink, a slight rest, and then I'm heading that way back to Akaroa today. Be careful. back to the car park. What a wonderful walk it was. Make sure you shut the gate.